Introduction to Windows Media Player. This is a Windows Media Player. Another way to open the Windows Media Player is go to Start button, click on All Programs and select Windows Media Player. This is title bar used to resize the window. This is the current location of the window. This is search box used to search any media files in the computer. This is play button used to play or pause the media. Previous button used to play the previous media. Next button used to play the next media. This is used to set the volume of media. Stop button. It is used to stop the currently playing media. This is repeat button used to play the media repeatedly. This is shuffle button used to shuffle the media into the list. To play the media, select the media and double-click on it. Click here to play the media again. Click here to go to library. Click here to go to the previous list.